Oh, hey, it's been a while since I uploaded last. Like, it's been a long time. But let's just get into this one.
I don't get it, I don't get it. Tequila in my cup. I don't get it, I don't get it. Green smoke in the air.
Hey, how's it going, guys? AG2Byte here. And this is a video comparison between the OnePlus 6 and the OnePlus 6T. So I'm going to be straight up with this. This is a two-part video. One is the speed test between the 6 and the 6T, and two is the benchmarking test from Antutu Benchmarks. Here we go. And to make this competition fair, both of these have the same configuration. So we're talking 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, and both of them are operating on the same Wi-Fi network. So that just adds up to that. Oh yeah, so the first is the Bootup speed test. You know, two phones started at the same time, kept against each other, and the winner is the one who loads up fast. And quick note, since this is a speed test video, feel free to adjust the speed of this video as per your need. The winner for this round is OnePlus 6T already. Now moving on to round 2, the app speed test. So a bunch of apps which are right now in front of you will be loaded on both the phones, and a side-by-side comparison will be made. The apps are here of varied nature to ensure test in almost all situations. So enjoy the test, and I will not bore you with numbers.
Got down. Got down. Got down. Got down. Got down.
Okay, quick note here, Asphalt 9 on the OnePlus 6 does not usually take this time to load, but for now, the point has to go to 60.
Found it. Now it's like my hands got a bounty. Wrapped up in smiles, but there's nothing that can bound me. Got a red dot on the nose for the people trying to clown me. See now how they truly feel. A yes man on her, not a shitty deal. In the field doing anything, just getting killed to the death. Find out I'm spraying out of eating still. Oh goddamn.
And now, since the speed test is done and the results are pretty close to each other, it's time for the benchmark comparison. So both of the phones will be put up against each other, and Antutu will run on both of them for this round. Now the final round, stress test, which tests the device for 15 straight minutes to check their CPU performance in that duration, and the respective graphs for both the devices are right here. Now you can pause and look for yourself the results, and with that the test comes to an end with the final scores right here. Okay, so that was the speed test and the benchmarking between the OnePlus 6 and the OnePlus 6T, and hopefully this video helped you decide which phone you should buy, the 6 or the 6T. The 6T is a great phone, no doubt about that, but it also is costlier than the 6, which is just a couple of months old. Okay, hope you liked this video. Thumbs up if you did, share this to 3, and thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye. Oh, this is a weird idea. Bye.